Good afternoon. I'm talking to Mr. Visser. He is a maintenance manager and manager of the production engineering department at Philips Drachten. And we are discussing the topic on predictive maintenance. Mr. Visser, what are the main characteristics of this production plant Philips in Drachten?
And the main characteristic is 24/7 production on the site with high precision in molding and metal forming. So, and then in the level of automation, if you look to our factory, it's very high. So a lot of robots and a lot of automatic process control, etc. Main important thing is also the integrated supply chain. We are strong vertical integrated, so to say, from steel to a shaver, from plastic to a complete shaver.
As expected, also a lot of, let's say, equipment here in the plant. And how about the challenges in maintenance?
It's always looking to the right balance in, let's say, preventive maintenance versus breakdown maintenance.
When you have a breakdown, this will certainly come with high cost.
Very high cost, yes.
I can understand. Yes. And then a PROPHESY project consortium has been built 2.5 years ago. In the project we are talking about the health status of a machine or the health status of a tool. And the aim is in the end to predict the so-called remaining useful lifetime of tools and equipment. So in order to optimize overall equipment effectiveness, that is.
Yes, that's what I mean. So it's not only one part; it's the complete set of what you mentioned now. Huh?
Yeah, correct.
So and if you have the interlinks between them, then you have more information and better information to give an advice to the maintenance guy or to the operator how to deal with the situation.
Perfect. Well, PROPHESY, I already told you, we're on the way more than 2 years now. We demonstrated some of our, let's say, components. I say our, and the PROPHESY consortium built components like augmented reality viewer as an assistance tool for the tooling maintenance mechanic. The consortium has built, let's say, prediction algorithms that can use a lot of data as inputs and then predict remaining useful life of tooling. What do you think? What's your judgment at this point in time? Do these components bring value to the business of Philips here?
Yeah, I'm very sure that it will bring value because I believe in the new techniques, so to say, the new tools there are, and the digital tools we have now. In the same time, it's not only the tooling, you also have insights in the process. So the process engineer, together with the maintenance mechanic, together they have the same view of the process and the tooling. So it's not only the process, it's a combination of both, and then linked to the process parameters of the machine. So with that. So with the REL values, we're moving from breakdowns to predictive maintenance. And that's the goal we set in our department because we believe in it.
Yeah, and actually since the start of the project we have been measuring, let's say, the breakdowns and let's say the preventative maintenance actions, and we actually already see a slight, let's say, improvement in these values. I would say this is thanks to, let's say, the effort of the project team both and let's say the people involved here in the Philips factory. As we have been working with maintenance mechanics, we have been working with production operators, we have been working with tooling engineers, and not to forget also, let's say, their managers, to guide us in the right direction, because doing this just from, let's say, technology point of view, this won't bring you, let's say, the value that you are looking for. You need to do this together with, let's say, the field workers and the real, let's say, the domain experts.
Because it's not only the technique or the tooling is helping you, it's the team together. And with this project, we bring all the parties, all the team members from the workforce on the floor to the management in Drachten together in one team. And I think that was, for me, as manager of this department and manager in this factory of all the equipment and tooling, it was the most strongest one I saw everywhere. So I think always you go to digital, but now you have combined digital with the human people and the teamwork and although so the insights from the engineer versus the operator was very strong. Normally the engineering is there and the operator is there, and now they were together and they speak the same language because of the PROPHESY project.
Yeah.
So I will thank the project for what they did. I'm very happy with this project and I hope that in the future we can have more of this from this project.
Thank you very much, Mr. Visser.